everything hurt. Like, I woke up and was crying. Walked my dog, crying again. Sitting in a car was an agony. Doing anything was an agony. I thought my life was over. I was planning to be out of here as quickly as possible. I was ready to check out. I was going. I was doing anything to struggle. I may even accidentally on purpose have an accident. You saw me. It's unbelievable pain.
So
and nobody really actually cared. You know how many paint shots I had?
all right.
Ridiculous, huh?
Sweet. Sweet.
Yeah, very nice. Your hands are like laser coming out of your fingertips. I feel I've been operated from the outside in. I'm like glowing on the inside where before there was nothing but pain. What?
That works. His face was white as snow.
Couldn't stand the pain. Now I've got no pain.
That's incredible.
One treatment. It's a miracle.
Whoa. it's incredible. I have no pain. I have no pain at all. It's so great. Thank you so much.
It is unbelievably gone.
Now, is that what you usually do?
No.
I blame you. Yay!
Yay!
I am walking, I am running. You saw me in that clip, limping.
All right. Okay, that's enough, Drew.
I wasn't able to jog.
I've been limping for a year. Tom, thank you so much for coming on the show.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me. So you're feeling pretty good?
You're afraid to try it because you know you never could do it. Right?
Yeah. She saw somebody else do that in one of your videos, and she said, "I would love to be able to do that. I can't believe that."
I think I went faster.
I feel great. I'm gonna put my heels back on. Put my high heels back on.
And go dancing?
And go dancing.
You are kind of really kicking it there. Let me see you put your leg behind your head.
My leg behind my head. I feel like $1,000,000.
Oh, yeah? But you can barely walk, right?
Oh, it's just that
You're in heaven? Heaven. I'm in heaven.
It's almost overwhelming with the joy I feel, with feelings that I'm...
A miracle. A miracle. That was it, a miracle. Yes, it was a miracle you did for me.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Thank you so much.
All right.
I can't believe it. I witnessed a miracle.
Yeah.
No less than a miracle.
Now if we just had some popcorn.
It's amazing.